Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can place header and footers in your LibreOffice Writer. So let's get straight into it. So header and footer is at the end of every document, as you can see, header and footer. So how you can do that? You can uh, place it pretty easily. So if we go here to the insert, click on it and go right over here to headers and footers, and then you can set up here separately, so you have header, footer, and use header footer menu. So if we click that, nothing happens. So we will go right, and for first thing we will go with footer style. So now, as you can see, we have here in footer we can type in hello. Then what we can do now, we can edit him as every other text. We can change the text, we can change fonts, pretty simple. Now for the header is the same way. We go to the insert, header and footer, header, and place it right here. And now we have right here, so like that. And the same thing as with the footer, we can change basically anything, even a color if we want. So LibreOffice uses pages styles to control formatting. For example, the full pages, first pages, or left and right pages. In a book style layout, most of the time you will want to click the full page style. So if your document uses a special first page or different page style, make sure you select the one where you actually want the footer to appear. This step is important because it decides which page get the footer. Now, if you want the text on the left side and the numbers on the right side, just hit the tab button, and now you can type in here the number. You can also adjust the ruler if you need more precise spacing. Now, if you want automatic content like page numbers or current date, go back to the insert menu and insert a field right here. This way the information updates automatically as your document change. So we can do the fix like so, and here it is. Now we can also do some different types, so maybe page count number 2. We can also do title and so on. So this is how we can add footers and headers in LibreOffice Writer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.